I asked ChatGPT to give me the top 5 exercises for beginners to test its true capabilities. As someone who has worked with thousands of beginners of varying physical capabilities, I wanted to see what kind of exercise program the AI could generate for somebody just starting out. Does it truly stack up to what I would program for somebody with little fitness experience? This video will dive right into that and also talk about what it could mean if you are a fitness trainer. I think these results will shock you, so if you are in the fitness industry, make sure to watch carefully. ChatGPT started out by recommending bodyweight squats, claiming that it targets the quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings, which comprise most of your leg. This is pretty accurate as the bodyweight squat does target mainly these areas and will be a great place to start practicing the basic squat movement. Push-ups are a classic exercise that ChatGPT recommended to target the chest, triceps, and shoulders. Again, this is 100% on the muscles it targets, but does neglect the fact that some beginners might not have the strength to do a regular push-up. ChatGPT also recommended to do some lunges, which targets the legs and glutes according to the AI. This is true, although the lunges actually work the same muscles that the squats do, just in a slightly different plane of movement and one leg at a time. Now, if you've seen any videos of people working out in the gym, planks would have probably come up at some point. The AI dictates that planks target the core muscles, including the lower back and abdominals. This is actually true and can be a great way for beginners to improve their core strength and stability. Last but not least, ChatGPT recommended to do some rows, which targets your back and biceps. This is also true in the muscles that it works, but does neglect the fact that you can do rows with bands, barbells, or even dumbbells. This distinction can make a difference, although the exercise selection is great. I like that it added to start slow with weight in the beginning, to use proper technique, increase intensity over time, and to consider seeing a doctor before working out if you're at high risk. These results seem pretty good, but what do I think about them? Before we dive into that next section, I need to make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to continue to improve your knowledge about the fitness and health industry as a beginner, we make videos helping individuals of all abilities with this, also how to navigate the gym when first starting out. So what do I think of ChatGPT's beginner exercise program? Well, it's actually pretty good. When you narrow down 5 exercises for any program, it is very hard to address everything. But to be completely honest, these are all exercises that I would program for someone if they were just starting out. I would usually try to add some type of deadlift variation, twisting exercise, or different types of carries, but for the simple fact that I limited ChatGPT to 5 exercises, came out pretty solid. I was also impressed that it didn't have any isolation exercises like bicep curls or lateral raises, as most beginners gravitate towards these when they are first starting out because they are easy to perform. I usually try to steer individuals away from these when first starting out and focusing on the main movements the AI addressed in the beginning. But this does beg the question, if ChatGPT can spit out a decent program for beginners, what does this mean for fitness trainers? If you are currently a fitness trainer and are worried about the status of your job, you shouldn't be. Coming up with a program is such a small part of being a fitness coach. What ChatGPT neglected to do is show you the proper form, coach any errors in the movement, offer different variations of the movements, and assess your current limitations. The power of having somebody to fine-tune your movement, give you real-time feedback, and correction is something that is solely lacking. Although it is cool that it came back with an ideal program for beginners, there still is much to apply. I was once a beginner in the gym and have made a lot of mistakes. This is why I made this video, so you can learn from them. And in addition to that, you can check out our low-impact exercise program below, which is designed for beginners and individuals who haven't worked out in years.
To tell me you're no good, I'm brushing away.